You gonna go catch him? What do you see? What did you find? M&Ms?
Yeah.
You're gonna eat them all?
Yeah.
Can you show them to me? Okay, we're gonna save the rest of them for later. Now what? What about your basket? Okay, we have to put it in your basket, sweetie. Where's your basket? Go put it in your basket. There you go.
I got a minute. 3 minutes.
You did get 3.
The more eggs you get, the more candy you'll have later. It's for later, Josie.
Yeah, leave it in there. Oh.
Don't get hurt.
See, Josie, that's why we wait till later, because otherwise you'll lose them in the grass.
Okay, sweetie. We're gonna leave them in the container, okay? No, we're gonna leave it closed and we're gonna save it for later, after dinner. No. You put this in your basket, okay? All right, can you find some more?